And what is happening is that there are diplomatic efforts which we continue to see happening behind the scenes, with the latest being of Advocate Fadzai Mahere. So in this past week, we have seen in 3 or 4 countries. In the past few days, she has been in various countries, including Namibia and recently Zambia. So she went to Zambia, where she met the president of Zambia, and she posted and said it was immense honor to meet His Excellency President HH yesterday, and here the incredible strides he is taking to move Zambia forward. We need leaders who are competent, passionate about the welfare of their people, and who put the national interest first. So this is something which is very, very important. And she was acknowledging what President Hichilema is doing in terms of development right there in Zambia. But what we need to note is that these movements, which we've seen, are diplomatic moves, and details won't come out